Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy and delicious chicken and garlic sauce. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. Okay guys, to start this recipe I have my pieces of chicken already cut up into small pieces. I'm using chicken thigh. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt to season and some cornstarch. And we're going to mix the cornstarch into the chicken. Make sure it's coated really well. So I'm using my wok for this, and if you don't have a wok, that's okay. Just use a big frying pan. Go in with some oil. Next, go in with your chicken. Okay guys, once your chicken is 3/4 of the way cooked, just take it out and place it into a bowl and set that aside. Okay guys, now to make the sauce part of this recipe. So to my wok on a low heat, I'm going to go in with some oil. To that oil, I'm going to go in with some ginger and some garlic. And the oil isn't hot at this time. I just want the garlic and the ginger to heat through. I don't want it to burn. So just let that go there for about a minute on low heat, and the garlic is going to get really tender. Okay, to this we're going to start building our sauce now. So I'm going to go in with some water. In goes some light soy sauce, some sweet chili sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, sesame oil, the star of this dish would be this chili garlic sauce. If you can't find a spicy garlic sauce, just use a regular garlic sauce. And I'm gonna give this a mix and bring this up to a simmer. If you wanted to put some chopped chilies in here into the sauce, fresh chopped chilies, feel free to do that. But this garlic sauce that I'm using already has that in it. After you've cooked your sauce on low for about a minute, we're going to transfer this to a bowl and set it aside. Okay guys, back into the wok, some oil goes in, and we're going to add in the vegetables that are going to take the longest to cook first. So broccoli, carrots, and toast. We want this to cook for like about 2 minutes, or cook it to the tenderness you would like. Now I don't steam the broccoli because we'll lose some of the nutrients in the broccoli like that. So that's why we're cooking it first with the carrots. We're going to let this cook for that 2 minutes, and then we'll add in the other ingredients. Okay, now to add the rest of vegetables, I'm going to go in with some sweet peppers, some snow peas, some mushrooms, and I have onions to add, but I'm not going to add in the onions just yet. I want these vegetables to start cooking before I add in the onions. I like my onions to be more on the raw side, so I'll add that in almost at the end. So now we're going to saute these vegetables for about a minute. Okay, now it's time to go in with our cooked chicken. I'm going to go in with some mushrooms. Those are black reconstituted mushrooms that were dry that I just reconstituted in some water. And now I'm going to add in our sauce and add half of the sauce and mix it. If you want more sauce, feel free to add the rest. I always like, when I make this, for it to be really saucy. We're going to toss that. That sauce is going to season and flavor the vegetables. You'll notice I didn't add any salt to this. So what I'm going to do now is add in the onions and mix. It smells so good and it looks amazing. Now to finish, I'm going to go on with some chopped scallions, or sife as we say in Trinidad, and give that one final mix, and then this is ready. So what I'm going to do now is just to dish this out and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for chicken in garlic sauce. This tastes amazing. All of the different flavors come together to make it a really delicious, spicy with a little hint of sweet recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you all so much for requesting it. This is actually one of my favorite things that I like to order when I order Chinese here in the US. So thank you all. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.